J100 app instructions. Turn on the remote controller. Power on the drone. Once in the main page, you can check the current drone connection status, drone connection type and device status. Click on Device to view the operation status of various devices, such as the drone, base station, surveying tool, app, and remote controller, and firmware upgrades and other functions. Click on Task to view task records, plot, and aerial survey. You can search and sort by distance, name, and time. Manage requirements and sync various data. Click on Log to view drone logs, vision logs, app logs, FPV recordings, and support online uploads. Click on User to view user operation data statistics, cloud base station account validity, and other user information. You can also perform operations like password changes. Click on Message to view software and firmware update information. Click on Setting to access settings for map, storage, FPV, and data count.